This is a copy of the English translation of Kentucky by I.J. Schwartz, which was the first major work in Yiddish to present the southern United States as its primary theme. It was, quote, a primary text for immigrants and potential immigrants in places as remote as Poland and Argentina who received their first impressions of America from its pages. It was translated into English by Gertrude Wischnick-Dubrovsky. Dubrovsky was a writer, historian, and independent scholar. This is a portion of Dubrovsky's papers. Her papers are full of multimedia artifacts, like tape recordings of a reading of Kentucky and a transcript of a visit she once had with I.J. Schwartz. One of the more fun elements of researching Dubrovsky's work is the amount of material we have on both her and Kentucky outside of her own collection. Beyond her papers, YIVO has other books she wrote, scholarly articles, her dissertation, which is the original translation of Kentucky, and materials she donated to YIVO throughout the years related to other Yiddish World projects she undertook. We also have I.J. Schwartz's papers, which were donated to YIVO by his granddaughter in the 1970s, and to which we added Dubrovsky's correspondence with him as an addendum in the 1990s. The collection also highlights what to me is a really interesting moment in the creative life of Kentucky. In the 1970s, Dubrovsky tried to get the story produced as a musical. There are a lot of rejection letters in the collection, including one from Stephen Sondheim. In my view, this is part of what makes archives so special as cultural entities. If we were only able to look at the cultural record, as it were, we would never know about the visions that never actually materialized.